Well, how's everyone doing? Hope you're keeping well. This is a lesson I was doing today, just there. I figured it'd be a good one to share. So I was talking to students about how there exists a chord hierarchy, and a hierarchy basically a pecking order, let's call it that as well, at times. And the thing was, we were covering the C chord and we're doing Rudolph. Now the thing about Rudolph is, there are some quick chord changes that go through it. So the song was getting sort of stuck just at the C chord. So I was explaining that there's many different ways to play a C chord. Like there's the version that's in the grade books where you can just use your index finger on the first fret of the B string and only strum 3 strings, which is a lot easier to get on for younger students than the typical stair shaped one. So I was saying to them that let's call that stair shaped C the regular chord. Gave names to all these. So with the regular chord. Then I said, you know, there's these other chords, and I like play bar chords and things like that, and I was calling those bonus points chords because they're into video games, so bonus points meant that it took a bit of extra work and you got extra things out of it. Then I said, there are times that maybe a regular chord takes a bit more work, and it could be the one little thing that stops the song from working fully, which was the case with Rudolph in that middle section. So I introduced them to the one-fingered C. And I was saying, no, we came up with the name for this one. It started off as the any day chord of the week, as in I could play that any day of the week. Then it turned into I could play it all day. And then I could play it every day. So, yeah, all, every, any day of the week chord. That would be the one-fingered C. Now, the thing about it was, I was saying it's good to have this hierarchy. So if you want to challenge yourself really, go with the bonus point version of the chord. If you want to just play the regular chord, it's there for you. But let's just say you want to get the song working quicker and you're caught for time. That's where this easier chord, the all, every, any day chord of the week would work. Now, I was going through the why as well. I always cover like why I'm doing stuff with students, just so they're fully clear on the reasons behind it, rather than just being like a good idea because I suggested so. So the reason was to get Rudolph working quick time. The thing about this then, I was saying, was that these chords, the easy one, the all, every, any day of the week chord, has an expiry date. I said, it doesn't smell, but the thing about it is, the song can seem a bit odd if you're still only using that chord as time goes on. So, we set an expiry date. It was after the Christmas concert, so it would be January. So, come January, that would be the last time we'd use that version of the chord. Then we'd be back to playing the regular chord. The bonus point chord is definitely worth looking at as well. Now, the really interesting thing here is that for every student this is different. So for some students, let's just say it's a 6-year-old starting their first lesson. That version of the C chord, that isn't their any day of the week chord. That's like a bonus point or a regular chord to them. So this hierarchy changes over time with students as they progress. And it doesn't mean that any is better than the other at all. It just means that they're at different levels. And when they're working these chords, it's good to see what one they could dip down to if they want, or what one they could go up to as well. Anyways, hope you found this of value. Would love to hear your own comments below if you have any methods for teaching chords yourself. Catch you soon.